Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths Online class of class 2. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your online classes. Students, today you will do page number 61 to 66 and here you will learn addition sums. So pay attention here. This is your page number 61. Here you will learn addition of 3 numbers with carrying. First question is 14 plus 20 plus 6. This is your tens, this is ones. Add the ones. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Right here 0, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. The answer is 40. Write in this page given 40. Next question 32 plus 8 plus 27. This is your tens, this is ones. Add the ones. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Write 7 here. 1 carry. Now add the tens. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. The answer is 67. And write in the space given 67. Like this you do other part also in homework. Next question is 2a part 48 plus 20 plus 2. This is your tens, this is ones. Add the ones. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Right here 0. Take 1 carry on tens. Now add the tens. Here will be 7. The answer is 70. In the space given you write here 70. Next is 54 plus 7 plus 16. This is tens, this is ones. Add the ones. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. Right here 7, 1 carry. Now add the tens. This is 7. The answer is 77. Like this you do remaining parts yourself in homework. Now match the answers after doing all questions from here. Come to question page number 62. Question number 1. The question is 146 plus 25 plus 3. This is your hundreds, tens and ones. Now first we will add the ones. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Right here 4, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 7. Now add the hundreds, here 1 only. Right here 1. The answer is 174. Now next question 352 plus 18 plus 24. This is hundreds, tens and ones. Add the ones. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Right here 4, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now add the hundreds. 3 plus, here nothing is given. Right here 3. The answer is 394. Like this you do remaining parts in homework. And now next question, a part 447 plus 25 plus 212. This is hundreds, tens and ones. Add the ones. 5 plus 2 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Write 4 here. 1 carry. Now add the tens. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now add the hundreds. 4 plus 2 is 6. The answer is 684. Next is 563 plus 9 plus 251. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now add the ones. 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 here. 1 carry. This is 12. Write 1 carry. Now add the hundreds. This is 8. The answer is 823. Like this you do other parts also yourself in homework. match the answers from here students and do in books only. Now page number 63, here also you will learn addition sums. First question, 56 plus 22 plus 3. This is tens, this is ones. Add the ones. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write 1 here, 1 carry. Now add the tens. This is 8. The answer is 81. Now next, 43 plus 14 plus 25. This is tens, this is ones. Add the ones. 7 plus 5, 12. Write 2 here, take 1 carry on tens. Add the tens. 5 plus 3, 8. The answer is 82. Now this question we do. 356 plus 265 plus 243. Hundreds, tens, ones. Add the ones. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Write 4 here, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Write 6 here, 1 carry on hundreds. Now add the hundreds. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. The answer is 864. Like this you do other parts. Also in homework. Now next question, A part. 747 plus 32 plus 5. Hundreds, tens, ones. Add the ones. 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Write 4 here, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 8. Add the hundreds. 7 is there only. The answer is 784. Next question, 69 plus 699 plus 99 plus 9. Add the ones. 18 plus 9, 27. Write 7 here, 2 carry. Now add the tens. 18 plus 2 is 20. Write here 0, 2 carry. Now add the hundreds. 8. The answer is 807. Like this you do remaining parts in homework. After completing, match the answer from here and do in books properly. Now here you will learn adding 4 numbers together. Previously you have done adding 3 numbers together. First question is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now add these. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Right here in the space given 8. Now this one we do this question. 42 plus 35 plus 27 plus 41. This is your tens. This is 1. Add the ones. 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Write 5 here, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. The answer is 45. Like this, rest of the part you do in homework. Now next question, 23 plus 12 plus 304 plus 240. Hundreds, tens and ones. Add the ones. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Write here 9. Now add the tens. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now add the hundreds. 3 plus 2 is 5. The answer is 579. Like this you do remaining parts in homework. Now match the answers from here after completing. Now page number 65, here you will learn word sums. First question is Rajat has 22 toys, Gopal has 12 toys and Salim has 18 toys. Now how many toys do they have altogether? Means you have to do addition. Okay, 22, 12 and 18 you have to add together. You will get 52 twice. Now next, Mary bought 8 Alfonso mangoes, Langda mangoes 14 and Malda mangoes 25. Now you have to find out total mangoes. 8 plus 14 plus 25. Add the ones. 12 plus 5 is 17. Write 7 here, 1 carry. And now add the tens. This is 4. Total mangoes 47. Now next, Gul went to school on 22 days in January, 20 days in February, 18 days in March. Now how many days did she go to school in 3 months? Add this one. Here you write 0, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 3 plus 3 is 6. Total days, 60 days. She went to school in 3 months. Now next, Tommy scored 25, 18, 32 and 29 runs in 4 matches. Now how many runs did he score in all? Now add these together. 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24. Right here 4, 2 carry. Now add the tens. 5 plus 5 is 10. The answer is 104 runs he scored. Now next, Simran has 12 pencils in one box, 24 in another box, and in 2 other boxes 16 pencils each. Now how many pencils does she have altogether? Add the ones. 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. Write 8 here, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 5, 6. Total pencils 68. Now next, the number of trains that passed through a station on 3 days were 123, 172, not 72, this is 72 plus 105. Now total number of trains you have to find out that passed through the station on 3 days. Add the ones. 10, right here 0, 1 carry. Now add the first you have to add the ones. This is 10. Now right here 0, 1 carry. Now add the tens. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 plus 0 is 10. Right here 0, 1 carry. Now add the hundreds. 3. Total trains are 300. This work you have to do in books and copies both. After doing your work, match the answers from here and do in copies neat and clean. Okay. This page you have to do in homework. I am telling you how to do. First question is add along each line. Means these lines you have to add 3 numbers. Here also you have to add 3 numbers, and this one also you have to add 3 numbers and write here. Okay. Now fill in 2 to 7 to get a sum of 12 along each line. Here in each line the sum of each line should be 12. Okay. हर एक लाइन में 12 आना चाहिए. तो आप कितना फिल करेंगे? 2 से 7 तक आप इसमें फिल कर सकते हैं नंबर्स. अंडरस्टूड? Now fill in 1 to 9 to get a sum of 15. Here should be 15. Here also in this line sum should be 15. Here also and here also. Like this, here 8 and 2 is given. 8 and 2 is 10 na. Now how many is remaining to get 15? 5 only. Like this you have to complete. Now look at the pink tower. Like this you have to do these one also. Okay, the sum of 2 numbers next to each other. Like this, 8 is the sum of this one, and 3 is the sum of 1 and 2, and 5 is the sum of 2 and 3. Like this you have to complete this one in books only. Now thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.